Ever wonder why some people get really rich? It's not always about how much money they have, but how they think about money. Today, let's dive into the secrets of the wealthy mindset and discover what really makes them successful. Welcome to our exciting journey into the world of wealth and success. I'm here to guide you through the secrets that make the wealthy different. This isn't just about earning more, it's about thinking in a whole new way. We'll explore the strategies and habits that help rich people grow their fortunes. Whether you're aiming to be wealthy or just want to understand their secrets, you're in the right place. So, let's get started and unlock these success secrets together. Active wealth management is a cornerstone strategy used by the financially successful. It's not just about saving money, but smartly growing it. Unlike the average person who might leave their savings in a regular bank account, the wealthy actively seek opportunities to invest their funds. This could be in real estate, the stock market, or even in burgeoning new businesses. The idea is to make their money work for them, rather than just sitting idly. This approach requires not only a keen eye for profitable ventures, but also an understanding of risk management to maximize returns while minimizing potential losses. Active wealth management isn't a one-time action. It's an ongoing process of monitoring, adjusting, and strategizing to ensure continuous growth of wealth. Elevating ambitions is about constantly setting higher goals and not settling for just being okay. For the wealthy, success isn't a final destination, but a journey where they always aim higher. Once they reach one goal, they don't just stop and relax. Instead, they set a new, bigger goal. It's like climbing a mountain and, upon reaching the top, seeing another, taller peak to conquer. This mindset keeps them moving forward and growing. It's not just about money, it's about personal growth, expanding their abilities, and achieving more than they did before. By always elevating their ambitions, they keep challenging themselves and never become complacent with their success. Selective networking is a key strategy used by successful people to enhance their growth and opportunities. It's about carefully choosing who they spend their time with and who they form professional relationships with. Wealthy individuals often surround themselves with others who are equally ambitious, knowledgeable, or successful. This isn't about excluding people, but rather about spending time with those who can offer new perspectives, advice, and opportunities. By networking with a selective group of people, they expose themselves to high-quality interactions that can lead to new ideas, collaborations, and even ventures. It's like being part of a team where everyone brings something valuable to the table, helping each other to grow and succeed in their endeavors. Mentorship plays a crucial role in the journey towards success, especially among the wealthy. It involves learning from someone who has already navigated the path to success and can provide guidance, advice, and insight. Having a mentor is like having a personal guide in the complex world of business and finance. These mentors share their experiences, mistakes, and strategies, helping to accelerate the learning curve for their mentees. This relationship is invaluable. It's not just about getting tips on what to do, but also about understanding the bigger picture and avoiding common pitfalls. Wealthy individuals often attribute a significant part of their success to the wisdom and support they received from their mentors, highlighting the importance of this relationship in achieving and sustaining wealth and success. Risk-taking is a defining trait of the wealthy, setting them apart in their journey to financial success. It's about making calculated decisions to step out of comfort zones and embrace opportunities that come with a certain level of uncertainty. The wealthy understand that high rewards often come from taking risks, but they don't do this recklessly. They weigh the potential benefits against the risks, making informed choices. This could mean investing in a startup, entering a new market, or trying out an innovative business idea. Risk-taking for them is not about gambling. It's about strategically pursuing chances that have the potential to yield significant returns. This approach is crucial because it allows them to capitalize on opportunities that others might shy away from, leading to growth and advancement that wouldn't be possible through safe, conventional paths. Valuing time over entertainment is a principle highly regarded by the wealthy, reflecting their focus on productivity and goal attainment. Unlike the average person who might spend considerable time on leisure activities like watching TV or casual socializing, the wealthy view time as a precious resource that should be invested wisely. They understand that each moment offers an opportunity for personal growth, learning, or advancing their business interests. This doesn't mean they never relax or enjoy themselves, but their leisure activities are often chosen for their value addition, like networking events, reading insightful books, or hobbies that enhance their skills. This mindset is rooted in the belief that time is the most valuable asset they have, and using it efficiently is key to maintaining and growing their wealth and success. Debt management is a critical aspect of financial strategy, especially for the wealthy. Rather than recklessly accruing debt, they approach borrowing with caution and foresight. Wealthy individuals understand that while debt can be a tool for growth, it can also be a pitfall if not handled wisely. They focus on acquiring debts that can generate value, like business loans or mortgages for investment properties, while avoiding high-interest debts that offer no return, such as credit card debt. They also prioritize paying off debts timely to minimize interest costs. This careful management of debt helps maintain a healthy financial status, ensuring that their liabilities don't overshadow their assets. By using debt strategically and responsibly, the wealthy use it not as a burden, but as a lever to bolster their financial growth and stability. Diversified income streams are a fundamental part of the wealth-building strategy of financially successful individuals. Instead of relying solely on a single source of income, like a salary, the wealthy diversify their earnings through various channels. This might include investments in stocks, real estate, owning businesses, or even passive income sources like royalties or rental properties. The key idea is to create multiple revenue streams that can each contribute to overall wealth, reducing dependence on any single source. This diversification not only maximizes potential income, but also provides a safety net. If one income stream falters, others can help sustain financial stability. By spreading their investments across different sectors and asset types, the wealthy can effectively manage risk and capitalize on different market opportunities, ensuring a steady growth of their wealth over time. Continuous learning is a hallmark of the wealthy, embodying their commitment to perpetual growth and improvement. They recognize that staying informed and expanding their knowledge base is crucial for maintaining their edge in an ever-evolving world. This learning extends beyond traditional education. It includes staying abreast of market trends, emerging technologies, and global economic shifts. Wealthy individuals often invest time in reading, attending seminars, and participating in workshops and conferences relevant to their interests and businesses. They understand that the landscape of success is constantly changing, and adaptability through learning is key to navigating it effectively. By embracing a mindset of lifelong learning, they ensure that they are not only prepared for the challenges of today, but are also shaping the opportunities of tomorrow. Understanding the relationship between money and happiness is a nuanced aspect often contemplated by the wealthy. Contrary to the simplistic notion that wealth directly equates to happiness, they often perceive money as a tool that facilitates comfort, security, and opportunities, rather than a direct source of joy. Wealthy individuals recognize that while financial stability can alleviate stressors related to financial insecurity and provide access to life-enhancing experiences, true happiness often stems from non-materialistic sources like personal fulfillment, relationships, and a sense of purpose. They understand that, beyond a certain point, the accumulation of wealth has diminishing returns on personal happiness. This awareness guides them to seek a balance where they can enjoy the benefits of their wealth while also investing in aspects of life that bring genuine contentment and well-being. In conclusion, we've learned that being rich isn't just about having a lot of money. It's about smart habits, like investing wisely, learning all the time, and knowing that money isn't everything for happiness. These ideas are not just for the rich. Anyone can use them to make their lives better. Now, it's your turn to join the conversation. What do you think about these habits? Are there any you want to try, or maybe you're already doing some? Let us know in the comments. Your thoughts could really help someone else. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, keep working towards your goals.